Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker Denon Envaya with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. After that click Enter, and right here you should click Add Bluetooth or other device. Then Bluetooth. Press and hold power button to turn on your speaker. Sorry, it was actually turned on. And after that, press and hold this Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Here we go. And now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!